get all these studs out. I'm going to replace them. It's a great stud removal tool. And as you go to loosen it, it grips and pulls. So you can see this one, it's a stripped out stud. All right, we broke one. Okay, bound to happen. So I guess we'll have to video how we get this out. Let's get some cleaning done. Yeah. Okay, I spent more than 15 minutes today. Roll-lock, wire wheel, green scratch pad, WD-40, brake cleaner, just a, whole host of things in certain sequences and stuff, and there's no rhyme or reason to the video other than I'm cleaning the block and getting it prepped for paint. The only thing I didn't do yet is the top deck, okay? So we still got to do this, and I'm, as much as I don't want to do it, but I'm going to have to go ahead and release all the valves, get them pulled out, and put them over on the wire wheel with a brass freaking brush, right? And then we'll protect the ends and stick them in a drill and clean up those valves, and then go ahead and clean the head and lap those valves, and then also clean the tops of the pistons, and just, you know, nitpick at it and make sure I don't have any debris inside this thing when I'm done. So the areas that I wire wheeled, I tried to protect, you know, certain areas where oil can get in and that kind of thing. And I think I did a pretty good job. So yeah, it's not bad. Let me do a quick walk around and I'll show you what the block looks like. So that's it. As with every block I've ever worked on, I broke one stud this time. And that's okay. I have no problem getting those out, but it was too good to be true because they were all coming loose, and that one didn't. Anyhow, thanks for watching. That's it for Saturday. Take it easy, folks. Love you.